What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Adam West here for Soulfly Sneakers, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Jordan 8 Reflections of a Champion. So these came out a little earlier in the year, a few months ago, and you can still pick them up. I have picked myself up a size 8.5 UK, 9.5 US. Yeah, and let's get a closer look. So here's the shoe. This is basically a retro of the Bugs Bunny colorway, except instead of the white leather that was on top, we now have this reflective 3M covering instead. Now these shoes, this series is a celebration of Michael Jordan's first 3 NBA titles, and there were 3 shoes came out, and to celebrate that, they all look pretty similar, all 3M with the hits of the red and the grey. They did the 6, the 7 and the 8, and I went for the 8. Now this is a bit of a Marmite silhouette, I guess. Some people love it, some people hate it. I definitely fall in the first camp. I think they're pretty hot. I know they can look a little bit cheap in some colorways. I think certain colors don't quite go on them, but I'm really into this colorway myself. I'm not sure if you get in sort of the reflective quality of the upper here, but yeah, if you get some light on that, these are going to light up pretty nicely. You can see we've got the hits of the red here and a bit of red here with the grey on these overlays, and the buckles on the crisscross straps, sort of a metallic university red, very nice. We get a look at the front. So yeah, we got the 23 branding here, the classic Jordan logo on the tongue. Yeah, this is a really nice shoe. I went for the 8s over the 6s and 7s just because I didn't really like the look of the 6s in this particular colorway, and the 7s also had bits of orange on them, which I thought kind of clashed a bit, and yeah, they looked a bit naff. So this was definitely my favourite of the 3. These are up for sale. Like I said, they are a UK 8.5, US 9.5. There'll be a link below as usual. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. Are you a lover or a hater of the Jordan 8 silhouette? What do you think of this colorway in particular? Just give you a look at the back there. So you've got the Velcro for the crisscross straps. Yeah, this is a very tight shoe. Just take a quick look at the other one. So on the inside, as with all 8s, they've got sort of the sneaker boot kind of interior, very comfortable. Straps for security and sort of a customized fit. So yeah, this is one that I personally really like. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. There'll be another video up in a couple of days. I haven't decided what I'm going to showcase next, but yeah, until then, I'll catch you later.